Mr. P.S. Reddy. He's the MD and CEO of MCX, joins us right now on the show. Mr. Reddy, thanks so much for joining us on Bloomberg Quint and trying to clarify or assuage some concerns that people may have. Just wanting to get this one issue out of the way, has there been any kind of whistleblower complaint of sorts, whether factual, whether accurate or inaccurate is another thing, but has there been a complaint of any nature by some whistleblower against MCX for cotton deliveries?
They filed against with SEBI just last week. At least we received it last week from SEBI, and it's unsigned. Okay, so somebody by name Charul Singh, a committed serving employee. There's no employee in MCX who is Charul Singh and who is working with us.
Okay, so there's an anonymous whistleblower complaint from somebody. Okay, now you would have gone through that because it's come last week. We had a chance to go through some of those contents today. Amongst things being spoken about, I want to talk about one thing. I'm sure my fellow anchors have questions on the others as well. What is this issue, if there is one, of course, with cotton? Because I think the news that we hear, or what we hear, is about the quality of cotton, the deliveries, the timing, and the price fluctuation on cotton, both futures versus the spot right now. How would you respond to these?
Well, as I said, this very complaint itself is a very privileged and mischievous complaint, and we are dealing with it anyway. Legal opinion, we are taking it, and how to address this, including the press which is giving a leg up for this kind of complaints. Now, on the cotton deliveries, there's absolutely no problem. And in the complaint, they mentioned about 2 international companies, and they have been buyers on the platform, and subsequently the very cotton which they have received delivery and kept in the MCX godowns has been delivered as a seller. So it's not that they brought in some inferior quality. That's what they have written in this. That's absolutely baseless. And as regards to the price, well, I don't comment about the price, but the deliveries are getting lifted. All the buyers anyway have to vacate these godowns for the new stocks to come. And we see that kind of lifting happening by the end of this month. We will have a very, very empty godowns, for the new stock to come from October onwards. So there's absolutely no problem.
Right. Just a clarification. So you're suggesting there is no default with regard to cotton delivery. Also confirm there's not been any delay as well?
Yeah, there's absolutely, madam. Absolutely no delay, no default.
Okay. I'm just reading, by the way, the whistleblower letter which is being circulated on social media. So this is not verified, but it says there was some siphoning of money abroad by altering the contract to higher value. Just want to confirm, was there any contract given to any of the European firm for developing a trading software for about 20 crore rupees?
Well, you see, we had given about last year or so to PESP a contract to develop a spot platform for gold and natural gas. Okay. Now the requirements were crystallized based on the requirements assessment as they have done it. As we go along the development, there was a increase in the business requirements, business ask. So they wanted to increase it. But what it was said was we will develop it in-house, take additional resources, people. So there's no increase in the cost of development. And whatever they were to deliver, they will be delivering it within that price.
So the company paid only rupees 20 crore for that contract?
They have not paid even as yet.
Okay, so the contract...
As I'm speaking, it is only 20 crores. There's no increase of that contract, and there's no way that we will be giving more than what has been agreed for the deliveries, what they have promised.
Are you officially, sir, are you officially going to be filing a response for this?
Come again?
Are you going to be officially filing a response for this?
We will be filing a response to SEBI.
Yes.
SEBI has sent us this letter. Of course we do.
Okay, got that. Thanks for clarifying that for us, Mr. Reddy. Appreciate you taking out the time.